about 10 minutes before they open. And this is the line just like 4 minutes before. Wow. Just a few minutes after 10, we are inside Nike Outlet Orange. They got refurbs here. Headed right to the refurbs. Checking the 9.5s first. I did peruse real quick to see if they had anything crazy, any dope refurbs. I didn't see much, but look at this. They do have the LeBron 2 Beast. This shows 240, and then look, this one shows 150. That one shows 150, and those are both the same size. They are doing 40% off the back wall today. Got these right here, center courts, regular price. GT Jump 2s, 120. And oh, these are hella nice. That's a dope colorway. That is an 8.5. Zion's 110. LeBron Next Gens go for 135. Oh, I haven't seen these in a while. The acronym Blazers, still 140. That's hilarious. There are a few refurbs, but I didn't see anything really good. Not much worth showing. $80 for the Air Max T-Dubs. Roshi's right here, going for 70. Way too much. And the size 9s, barely any size 9s right here. 150 for the Jordan 1 High Golf. This one shows 150. Okay, well. Got running shoes right here, Infinity Run 4s, going for 130. Is this what people have found right here? What's this going for? 115. Oh, that's a great score right there. These Jordans, 140 for those. Back on the back wall, Air Max 90s. Are you guys into these double air units? The double Air Max 90s? I don't know, I'm not a fan of those. 150. But they do have a few refurbs here and there, just not much heat though. 70 or 69 for the ice shots. Got some trainers right here, going for 63. Moving up to the 10s, you got the ACG locates right here for your ACG fans. Slightly imperfect, 58. LeBron's, $60. And that has a big old marker on it. What the hell? That is slightly imperfect, big old marker. Holy cow. Air Max 1 Premiums, 160, damn. Undercover Mocs right here, $50. 10.5. Jordan 1 Low OGs, 110. So that brings these down to like what, $55, something like that. Holy cow. Got some dunks down here, 110. Air Max 97s. I like this colorway right here. This is under $100, 140 before the discount. Got some Penny 2s in a colorway nobody asked for, 150 for those. GT Jump 2s right here, size 11, $90. So is that 50, 55 or something like that? Slightly imperfect though. Size 11, gonna power through the back wall here though. University blue, this ain't bad, dude. Better material than just the regular Force, because these are the premiums, 140. So well under 100. Seeing a bunch of these golf things right here, $100. Size 12, got some refurbs here, 85 for the Next Gens. Is that the cheapest we've seen those? Some Pegasus 89s, going for 50. 13s, got the Airspans, going for 85, still too much. Maybe with the 40, not too bad, I guess. Size 14, go for 80. Oh, dude, got these Billie Eilish right here, go for $100. So 60 after the savings. Some Del Dons right here, down to $40. $40, and then you get another freaking 40% off. Holy cow. It's like 20-something, like $24. This totally could have worked for Jeremiah. That's hilarious. $20-something. Size 13, and we know that a lot of the Nike basketball, they run hella tight, because he wanted a size 12, 12.5. Adjust Forces size 14 down to 70. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature 75. Max 1 going for 70. It looks like Big Feet Gang got all the steals right here. Got a few of these going for 60 after the savings. GT Cuts right here. We don't even know the price, dang it. We've checked out the back wall. Now we're gonna check out some of the clearance apparel. The biggest thing I've been looking for is shorts for my kiddo, and there's no shorts in the size small. There's these. These are just hella red though. Go for $22, and you get 40% off the sales as well. So $90 right here. Kind of overpriced, but not even bad. Not even bad with that extra 40% off. Got some sweats right here. These are $52, $53. Go for 40 off. 40% off makes everything look decent. Got a Jumpman. Is this a bomber jacket? $193. This is a small. Got this funky jacket right here. It's kind of interesting. But yeah, $175 for these. PSG, what is that? No, it just says Paris. Extra pink polo right here, $35. Got a soccer jersey right here. MLS soccer jersey, $95 though. They're asking for the full amount. At least you get 40 off. Even all these mediocre deals do turn out to be pretty solid prices. We can get used to this 40% off. Then just $70 for WNBA hoodie. Nike Trail Tee going for $37. Nike SB funky looking t-shirt is a large, going for the full $50 though. So that still brings it down to what, $30? Got some golf slacks right here, down to $60. You do get that extra 40. That is hella cheap, hella cheap. $67 for those, I'm gonna say khakis. $160 still for those. What the hell is this called? I forgot what it's called. It's that really nice material, the ThermaFit Advanced. But yeah, man. Then this one, $12, and then you get another 40% off. It looks like just mostly t-shirts, bunch of JDI stuff, Nike branded t-shirts. It is what it is. This is one of the more crowded outlets. This is within 15 minutes of them opening. Pretty decent sized crowds already. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles over here. They got tons of aisles. Right before we get to the aisles, I think this is the deal of the day so far. $110, you did get 40 off. So, yeah, under $60. Under $60. All right, I had to bust out with the calculator. $66. $66, still a hell of a deal for Jordan 1s. And that matches Niner gear. All right, and back to the aisles. Of course, we got tons and tons of the budget signatures, GT Cut Academies. Might be the cheapest we've seen those. And then got plenty of non-signature Jordans. Got a couple more. Then we do get to the retros. Do got the Jordan 7. These are the white infrareds. Jordan 2s right here. Jordan 1 high OGs that nobody seems to want. Air Max Soul. What the hell? Some, okay, Air Max sandals. Got Air Max slides right here. The Air More Up Tempo slides. These are freaking dope. I think one of the homies did pick one up for me, so hopefully I can grab that within the next day or two. But these are just so dope. I'm not paying $85, but I know one of the homies who got one for hella cheap at Watts. And do got soccer cleats right here, Legend 10 Academies. Go for regular price though. This is the indoor soccer version of that. Got Union Cortez right here. They came out with 3 different colorways. I think I did grab one of these. I think I do have this one at home. I think I grabbed it for like $60-something. Do get full box, a little bit more here. Do got some Nakas, going for 40 off. Air Max Pennies, Social Status. That's the cheapest we've seen this one. Holy cow. Holy cow. They got plenty of sizes. Let's see, 9.5, 8.5, 7s, all the way up to 11. They got a few sizes of these. And they got the Airspan 2s. That's actually a dope colorway, kind of like a UCLA colorway. White and wolf gray, pure platinum. Black anthracite, pale navy. Karachi runners. Someone left one of these in the aisle. Got some Adjust Forces. Do got a bunch of these full force lows. Haven't been seeing too many of these. They're getting a lot of stuff because I'm seeing a lot of stuff we haven't seen too many other outlets. You got the Air Force 1 mid. It does have the exposed air units on that one. These go for regular price. More Forces right here. Dunks, we've seen these dunks, I want to say everywhere. Got Blazers. More acronym Blazers right here. Nike Attacks, TWs. Do got a couple of LeBron Next Gens. They're gonna continue to go down. Then we see more and more of the budget signatures right here. Got some of the hyper dunks over there. Got some Pandas, not really. Got Roshis, $30, 40 off. That's the cheapest we've ever seen these. Holy cow. Only smaller sizes, or bigger size, my bad. 10.5 to size 13. That's it for those. Got some Vapor Max Plus, 2021 Flyknits. They're all going down in price. Can't believe how much stuff here is 40% off even in the aisles. This is insane. And I haven't been here in a while. Apparently I need to come here more often because they got some dope stuff. 270s, we've been seeing a myriad of 270s, 97s. Got Air Max 90s right here. Not much of a discounted though. Which usually means a lot of this stuff just came in. They also got this hella bright colorway of the Vapor Max Plus right here, 160. You get that 40 off though. Moving on to the women's clearance section. Still looking for one of these for hella cheap. This is the bigger women's sizes, 180. This is a 9.5, so not big enough. Size 10 right here, 8.5 women's. Regular price, but even that 40 off, that brings it down to close to 100, right? Gold Fly E's right here, slightly imperfect, $63. I do have a bunch of these Jordan 1 low OGs right here. That is dope. That is dope. Colorway's okay. Okay, but look at that price. 110. Do get that extra 40 off. So what? $66? 66 bucks for Jordan 1s. 2 trays right here. Go for $93. That is like new. Hoping to find a 7.5 refurb, like some good running shoes. Not really seeing much. Got Air Forces right here. These are some shadows. Still regular price though. But at 40% off, I guess regular price ain't even regular price. What is this? Got Zoom Air on it? Oh, this is interesting. That's interesting. Kind of reminds me of the Super Reps. They have the Versairs. Got some dunks right here. 110 though. Oh, they got quite a few of these right here for the kiddos. 115. So that's under 70 bucks. Got Jordan 1 hot OGs in the grade school right here. Regular price though. See a bunch of these Barrage down to $60. 60 bucks. Holy cow, that's what, $42? 11 Low Comforts, 55. Got some mids right here. They go for full price. I guess you get that 40 though. All right, we're gonna check both the women's aisles as well as the grade school. Got a bunch of Air Forces. Yeah, they're here. They're here. The pricing very, very up and down. Kind of just depends on when they got the Air Forces. I think this is the one we saw in the clearance section, right? Leather's really nice on her. Leather's really nice. Another shadow right here. A couple of the platforms on the backside. We got some Roshis, some Dunk highs, the gum bottom, premium MFers right here. Then we're back to a bunch of blazers. Been seeing blazers pretty much at every outlet, heavily discounted, and even more on the back of the aisle. Wow. And just a bunch of generic stuff for the women over here, to be honest. Got some Air Max 90s, a couple of those. That's about it, dude. None of the kids do got some Jordan 1 high OGs right here. Got some mids that look way interesting. And of course, got plenty of 2s. Always got 2s. And I do got these 3s right here. We've seen these on sale at Chic here and there, right? I think so. It was this one, right? Sure. But yeah, 105, not bad. Then in the grade school, they also have a ton of the Team J's right here. Don't even know the name of all of them. Do you know these Lucas? But yeah, I got some 6 rings, some comforts. Wait, these are some 8s right here. These are some 8s. Okay. Okay, decent price. And more Team J. What? Oh, okay, this is for preschool. Got these for preschool right here. Okay, I was like, what the hell? But yeah, that's about it, man. Do see a lot of red tags in the apparel section, so let's definitely look around here. Some hella pink hoodies if you want hella pink hoodies. $60. You do get that 40 off. Then got some, is that like a tan color one as well? Tech fleece right here, 40% off. So do get these for 100 and then you get another 40 off. Mentioned definitely a good time to buy off season if you don't mind buying stuff off season. Multiple colorways, got a few sizes, small, medium, large, XL for these. And they still trying to get 125 for these. At least you get that 40 off though. 110 for the, oh, these are pretty thick. Oh, okay, those are pretty thick. Color's awful though. 20% off the workout gear right here. 25 bucks for the tights. Got running pants right here. If you want to run in the winter, 60. Do get that 40 off. 30% off golf gear right here. Got some shorts, 55 bucks. You get an extra 30 off. Polos get the same treatment, 35 for these polos right here. And then they got other stuff. Okay, pullovers, 65. More shorts going for 60. Oh, one's a short, but most of them are slacks. But yeah, slacks for 60 and 30 off. That's not bad. That's not bad. Backpacks. Do I see any legit backpacks? That's what I've been looking for. These small backpacks, 35 for those. Nike Elite backpacks down here going for 55. Doing one last loop around just in case I missed anything. Do got these bad boys right here, the lattes. I am a huge fan of these bad boys right here. Didn't get them, but I am a huge fan still. And pretty much all women's sizes, up to size 9 women's. And it's just crowded. I'm telling you, it gets crowded as hell here. So you gotta come hella early. No, it doesn't look like I missed out on anything. 40% though, which is pretty freaking dope. Wow. I'm trying to find a mirror to show you guys what I'm wearing. Taco 5 PEs. They were PEs and then they did a general release. But yeah, these are dope, dude. The Kyrie 5s, hella hard to put on, man. I was trying to put these on while I drive and they weren't easy at all. And then shorts, t-shirt. That's the usual, to be really honest. The Lakers draft just happened. I should have worn a Lakers jersey, god dang it. Why didn't I wear a Lakers jersey? Lakers draft just happened. What do you guys think? You know, what do you guys think about the pick? Bronny and, shoot, I forgot the other guy's name. The first rounder is supposed to be hella good, right? Supposed to be a hell of a good shooter. Lakers need shooters. And look at the line here. Look at the line already. This place hasn't been open for more than what, 45 minutes? 30, 40 minutes, and line just hella long already. Line usually goes all the way to the back, man, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, all right, think we're done, dude. Think we're done. Got plenty of videos coming. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Gonna hit up Adidas. Gonna hit up a few spots. They got all kinds of sneaker shops here. Definitely gonna be checking out a few of the sneaker shops. Gotta go see what's up with Adidas. Do they got Yeezys? Do they got them? Let's go. Let's go find out. They're making in and out here now too? Damn, parking gonna get even worse. Parking's already awful here, dang. You gotta get to this location hella early. They even have valet spots that take up regular parking spots. I got here 10 minutes before they open. Parking lot's wide open. Wide open. At 10-2, got a few people in line. Still out in Orange. If you guys need any of the info, just go check the description, guys. Checking out Adidas, let's go. One of the bigger Adidas outlets. Definitely not as big as Citadel. Question is, what's up with their Yeezy selection? People have been telling me they got them here. And they do, People doing it big, people doing it huge. 50% off.